Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you enjoyed the 90-day video challenge that I did. I certainly enjoyed watching it back while I uploaded them. And as you can see, I'm some sort of a different person in there, you know? The thing what it is, when you realize you're not doing this for your own reasons, there are people around you and you're going to help them achieve their dreams, and when you realize you're not doing this for your own personal reasons. In the same way, it's my responsibility to help other people around me. We are all in this together, and it's our responsibility as a leader to lead them by example and show the people a way, and on back of that, help them achieve their dreams, And as you see that and as you understand that, it helps to multiply your own desire to achieve. Because it's not for your own personal reasons. You're helping people achieve their dreams too. So it's not how you look. It's who you help, who you serve. If one person can take a little value out of this video, if one person can take a little value out of my message, that's all it matters. So it's not how you look, it's not what you do. It's who you serve, who you help. That's what it matters. That's what I believe in. So look after yourself first, and then we can look after others. But keep going, and it's part of a bigger picture, and we are all in this together. Yeah. And I look forward to seeing you sometime. And if you got any comment, just leave them below in the comment section, and I would be kind of glad to know what you guys think about it. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.